You are so sweet, Sa. I know you want to do the same thing, Alexa. I can tell. Right? You want Auntie to record you guys going down? You know you guys can come here. If you could get the baby out with you. You gotta have the baby out first, Alexa. Is she okay? You don't have to go together. Because you know she wants to be a baker. Okay, you guys gotta hurry. Because somebody's coming too. You gotta hurry. Good thing it doesn't go fast. It's slow. Hi. Hi. Hi, Jasmine. Baby. Hi. Yes? I don't think the baby can go up there. She's too little. Okay, just let her. She'll fall. She won't get hurt, I guess. Because it's soft. Do it then. Of course you're big. Oh my goodness.